Has someone you know with an iPhone been sending you texts to an Android and you're not getting them? And you didn't even know until they brought it up and it was kind of awkward? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a bunch of reasons why you may not be receiving texts from an iPhone to an Android phone. And we'll save the most dramatic fix for the last, so stick around. Probably the easiest first place to start is on your Android phone to make sure that your cellular data is connected. So let's try that first. To do that, you go to your settings on your phone, you go to your network and internet, click on internet, and just make sure that your cellular data is connected. I'm using Google Fi. It shows right here that I've got full bars. It says 5G, so I can rule that out. That's probably not the issue. So the next thing you're going to do is just make sure that SMS and MMS are enabled on your iPhone, that they're both toggled on. You go into settings on your iPhone, click on that, and then you're going to scroll down to messages right here. And then within that, you're going to scroll down and you'll see that MMS messaging and group messaging are both turned on. It looks like SMS is not turned on, so in some instances you may want to send just the text, but it's going to send a rich message. So you can just make sure that SMS is also toggled on your iPhone. Next thing you'll want to do is just make sure you haven't accidentally blocked somebody on your Android phone from your contacts list. If you want to check that, is to go into your messages there on Android, click on the settings, spam and blocked. So you can go there, you can see spam and blocked. You know, if you see somebody that's your friend that wants to hang out in here as a spam or blocked message, maybe that's why you're not getting their message. The next thing you want to try, if your friend with an iPhone is trying to send you a message, you're still not getting it, they've got MMS turned on, SMS turned on, they've got a good data signal, they're not a blocked contact that you accidentally blocked or reported as spam, is to go into the App Store, to the Play Store on your Android phone, and just make sure that there's not an update pending for your messaging app. Easiest way to do that is just open the Play Store, and then you go click on your profile image up top, click on Manage Apps on Device, and then you can see that there's 11 updates pending, so you can see the details of that. I don't see messaging on here, which means from an Android phone, this is a Pixel 7a, that it's already updated. Otherwise, it would say there's an update pending that's available, because I have the settings on there to show the updates. So if you did see that, you could just update it or click Update All. Maybe that's the reason you're not getting the text. So another option is maybe you're a former iPhone user and you had a phone number linked to iMessage. So when somebody from an iPhone sending it to you, it's just going in iMessage and you're not receiving it on your Android phone. To check this, you can go into your settings on your iPhone, scroll down to messages there, and then you can just make sure that iMessage is toggled off. If you see it on there, you can just toggle it right off. Easy as that. Finally, if none of that has worked, you can take a more drastic measure and try to reset your network settings on your Android phone. So if you want to do that and you're like, I gotta try something here, you go to your settings on your Android phone. So click on settings there, and then you scroll down to system on your phone, and you go to reset options at the bottom. This is a Pixel 7a. So on here you can see that you can reset mobile network settings. And then this would reset the settings. You can even erase the SIMs. I'm not going to do this now because that would be a pain for me. And you get the point. I showed you how to get there. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I hope you can get messages from your friend on an iPhone, from an Android phone. It should work. There's a lot of ways to do it. RCS messaging is now available on more modern iPhones and Android phones, so you shouldn't have any problem. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you again soon.